See the question number 2. Here it is given 46 centimeter 18 centimeter, 46 meter 18 centimeter. These two are different unit, whether they are unit of length, but the units are different. Here it is meter given and this one is centimeter given. Okay, so we cannot add. We can add similar things we can add now. So if you need to add, that means we have to convert the unit, either meter you convert to centimeter or centimeter to convert into meter. That's why they are written in separate. Okay, if it is suppose instead of centimeter, if it was written, suppose here c is not there, meter is there, so then we can add 46 meter 18 meter, that it will be, we can add this one. Since here units are different, so we cannot add. Okay, now these two together you have to convert into centimeter. See the question, this one. Okay, so now we are converting. How to convert 46 meter to 18 centimeter? 46 meter, since we need to convert into centimeter, this is already in centimeter, so we need to convert only this one. So that means 46 meter to centimeter, if you need to convert, recall the table, milli centi, that means from milli centi decimeter. That means from this meter to, you have to convert to centimeter. How many jump? 2 jump. That means with 100 you have to multiply. So that means 46 into 100, what you will get? Centimeter. Already 18 centimeter is already there, so it will be 4600 centimeter 18 centimeter. So both are same unit, so now we can add final answer 4618 centimeter. This is your answer. Similarly, see the 8 number, 2302 centimeter to meter and centimeter you have to convert. First of all, this one is centimeter given. Okay, so now you split. First of all, here meter is given, so that's why I will split 2000 centimeter. I can write this one plus 302 centimeter. This ultimately it will be how much? Both the unit are same, that means we can add, that means it will be 2302 centimeter. This only given? No. Okay, so I have split the term. Now see, just 2000 centimeter from meter to millimeter, centimeter, millimeter means mm, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. From centimeter to, if I need to convert into meter, how many jump? 1, 2 jump. 2 jumps are there, that means we need to divide by how much? 100. So if I divide by here 2000 by 100, it will be how much? Sorry, 2000 centimeter plus 302 centimeter. So this 2000 centimeter means I can write 2000 divided by 100, then it will convert to what? Meter plus 302 centimeter. 0 0 will get cancelled, that means 20 meter and 302 centimeter. So that means you can write 20 meter 302 centimeter. So ultimately question is asked only that one, meter and centimeter. So answer will be 20 meter and 302 centimeter. So this one here I have written 2 meter, so this will be 20 meter. Okay, I will correct it in the documents when I will provide, there I will correct it. Okay, so now explanation, in the explanation I have told you now. Okay, so now see the 6 number. 6 number, it is given 5000 gram to kilogram and gram. Here also same, 5000 gram, I can write 5000 gram plus 3 gram. 5000 gram means 5 gram and 3 gram is 3 gram only, so 5 kg 3 gram. See kg and gram. Okay, Okay, see the question number 3. The Marianas Trench is about 10,900 meter deep in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, the Marianas Trench is about 10,900 meter deep in the Pacific Ocean. Trench means something like your hollow that is dig under the ground. So that is called as a trench. So something hollow type things that is dug under the ground. So that name is given is Marianas Trench. So the Marianas Trench is about 10,900 meter deep in the Pacific Ocean. That is deep in the Pacific Ocean. It is there. So that length is 10,900 meter. If is this greater or less than 8.85 kilometer height of Mount Everest? So that Marianas Trench height is given, that is given 10,900 meter. Okay, and the Mount Everest is given, height is your 8.85 kilometer. See, the both the units are different. Here it is meter given and this one is kilometer given. So can we compare these two? We can compare. Suppose you have 5 rupees and I have 500 paise. Okay, sorry, you have 5 rupees and I have 600 paise. So can you tell me which one is bigger? You have more money or I have more money? So to calculate this one, what you have to do, either you need to convert this rupees to paise or this paise to rupees you have to convert. After that you can compare na. So like this, here Marianas Trench length is given meter and the Mount Everest length is height is given kilometer. So can we compare? We cannot compare. So to compare this one, both are the measurement of length only. Okay, so to measure this one, what we have to do, first of all we have to convert, either this meter you need to convert to kilometer or this kilometer you need to convert to meter, your choice. So I am converting here the Mount Everest kilometer to meter. So 1 kilometer is how much? 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter means, so you need to you need to do what? You need to do multiplication by 1000. So if you do the multiplication, you will get 8,850 meter, and here it is given that Marianas Trench is 10,900 meters. So now you can compare, both the units are same. So now you can compare. Okay, so now you can compare. So at the now tell me which one will be bigger. This one is 10,900 and this one is 8,800. So this will be bigger. So this is Marianas Trench is greater. So that is your answer. See the question number 4. The thickness of a 54 sheets of paper is 15.12 mm. What is the thickness of each paper in centimeter? See, this question is very easy. You can apply the unitary method. 54 sheets paper thickness is this much. Okay, so what will be the sheet thickness of one sheets? 54 sheets this much. One sheets will be unitary method. After calculating the final answer, you will get that answer. It is given in mm. The question it is asked in centimeter. See, what is the thickness of each sheet in centimeter? In centimeter, that means whatever answer you have got after applying the unitary method, that means that mm you have to convert to centimeter, or there also you can convert without before doing this calculation. Better you convert this mm to centimeter, then after you apply the unitary method, your choice. So for number you have to do by yourself. See the question number 5. An inch contain 1 inch, that we calculate now. In scale 1 inch is there now, one side inch and one side centimeter. So this 1 inch contain 2.54 centimeter. How many centimeters will be there in 12.5 inch? This is also unitary method. 1 inch contain 2.54. So 12 inch will contain how much? 12.5 into 2.54. This much. Okay, calculation you do. Now see the question number 6. Gauri spends 0.75 of her salary every month. If she earns 12,000 per month, in how many months will she save 39,000? Gauri earns whatever salary she got in 1 month. This whatever salary she got in 1,000 in 1 month, that is your 12,000. So out of this 12,000, she spends 0.75 of that salary. She spends 0.75 of this salary. So see here, Gauri spends per month 0.75 of salary. So 0.75 of means multiplication salary how much? 12,000. So that means see the calculations, 0.75 into 12,000. So 0.75, if you remove the decimal you will get this one, 75 by 100 into already 12,000 is there. So this denominator 0 numerator 0 get cancelled. 75 into 12 is how much? 900, and already 10 is there, that 0 will be there. So this will be per month. Okay, so Gauri spends per month how much? 9,000. That means out of her salary 12,000, she spends 9,000 per month. So how much she save each month? How much she save? So that means out of this 12,000, if you subtract 9,000, you will get this 3,000. Okay, so that means in each month she saves how much? 3,000. Okay, so now let's see the question what is asked. If she earns 12,000 per month, in how many months will she save 39,000? That means to save 39,000 in her account, how many months required? So for this calculation what we do, 3,000 save in 1 month. So 39 will save in how much? 3,000 save in 1 month. So 39,000 will be saved in how much? One cross multiplication, this one into this one. So 39,000 divided by 3,000. So cancellation, 39 by 3 means 13. That means within 30 months she will save how much? 39,000. Okay, this question is very interesting. See the question number 7. In this question it is given one big jam container is there. In that jam it is it's contain of 100 kg jam. One big jar is there, that jar contain of 100 kilogram jam. Okay, with this big jar you are supposed to take jar and pour it into small jar. Okay, so how will you convert so to convert that jam to the so from this big jar you have to convert the jam, you have to shift the jam to small vessels. So how will you while converting this jam, so how much container required? That means how much small container requires. So what do you have to do? The capacity of that small jar is given 1.75 kilogram. So for this calculation what you have to do, one small jar contain 1.75 kilogram. That means 1.75 kilogram in one jar. This we are considering in small jar case. Okay, so that means 1.75 kg is the capacity of one small jar. So how much total jam is there? 100 kg. So 1 kg in how much jar? Unitary method. So 1 kg it will be cross multiplication, 1 into 1 divided by 1.75 jar. Okay, so now what is the capacity? Total quantity of the jam is 100 kg. So total quantity of jam is 100 kg, right? So 100 kg in how much it will be? So you need to do 1 kg contain in this much jar. So 100 kg will contain in how much? This one into 100. Okay, so do the calculation. So do the calculation. 1.75 and here 100 is there. So this one you need to remove the decimal. So here 1.72 decimal places. So if you remove the decimal point, 100 will go to the out. So 100, already 100 is there. This 100 and divided by 175. So now divide 10,000 divided by 175. If you divide, you will get how much? 57.142. This is what? This is the number of jar. So can number of jar in decimal point? Suppose if I told how many pens are there in your hand. So if is there any chance that you will tell I have 2.5 pens? That means 2 pen is there and 1 pen is dead. That's why it is I consider it as a 0.5. Like this you will tell? No. So if I ask how many bottles are there in your hand, or how many vessels are there in your hand, so at that time what you will tell? You will tell some whole number like 2, 3, 500,000, 5,000 like this. So is there any chance that you will tell I have 2.3 bottles are there, 5.2 bottles are there, 5.99 bottles are there? So is there any chance of decimal number? No, because quantity can never be in decimal point. So what I have to do? This decimal, after decimal point what numbers are there, I will reject that. That means I will neglect that. So jars, we are counting the number of quantities. So how many jars are there? 57 jar required. So that means 57 jars are there. So now let's count. See the question, you have to read the questions properly. See the question is there, how much remains, how much it will remain. So total number of jar we got it as how much? 57. 57 jars are there. So 5 and capacity of one jar is 1.75. That means to 557 small jar we have got. So capacity of one jar is 1.75 kilogram. So total we have got after calculating 57. So that means if you calculate, you will get the total number of jams that are stored in all the 57 vessels. That is your 99.75 kilogram. Okay. So how much remaining? In the big vessel you have 100 kg, and while converting in the 57 bottles you have got 99.75 kilogram. That means how some are left. So how much that is left? So that means from 100 kg if you subtract this one, you will get that remaining. That means how much remaining, that one you will get. See the questions, how much remains. That means 57 bottles are full of 1.75 gems. After that some remaining will be there. That one is how much? That one will be 0.25 kilogram. That is your answer.